Sylvester the Oyster, he hath a lisp. So this is Sylvester. He's a super cute little amigurumi. He doesn't need any stuffing. And you know what one thing he's really good for? If you roll up your earbuds and you put them inside of him, he makes one heck of a super cute earbuds case. Oop, a little bit of fuzz there. Blah, 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 blah. Anyways, if you'd like to make Sylvester along with me, we'll jump right in. What you're going to do is you're going to make a slip knot, chain 2, and then single crochet 3 in the first chain. All right, chain 2, turn, and then double crochet 3 into this first single crochet. There you go. And double crochet 2 into the next one. 1, 2, whoop. 2, and then 2 into the last one. So 3 in the first, 2 in the second, 2 in the third. And that should give you a total 7 stitches. Chain 2 and turn. Now, double crochet in the first stitch, front post double crochet in the next stitch. So this is the first stitch. See, yarn over, go behind, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. See? Double crochet in the next stitch. So this is the one we went around. This is the next stitch. Go here and do a double crochet. Then in the next stitch, you're going to do a front post double crochet. So this is around the 4th stitch. You're going to do double crochet in that same stitch. So you just worked this, go in the back here, double crochet. You're not going to the next one, you're doing the one you just front post double crocheted around. You're going to work another front post double crochet. Whoop, in that same stitch. So now you have 3 stitches in one. Now double crochet in the next stitch. Front post double crochet around the next one. And now double crochet in the last one. Chain 2. In turn, you should have 9 stitches in that round. Row, whatever. Now, double crochet in the first stitch. Back post, double crochet around the next stitch. So this is your front post from last time. You're going to go into it. Pull up a loop. This is a little harder to do. There you go. And complete the back post double crochet. Now double crochet in the next stitch. Back post double crochet in the next one. So the next front post from last round, row, whatever. They're so interchangeable. Double crochet, and then just finish the row off with that. See, and there, you've basically extended each of these post stitches. So now double crochet in that last stitch. Okay, there you go. Alrighty. The next row is very similar. Chain 2, double crochet, front post, double crochet, front post. You get the gist. Just continue that across. Okay, now that you've reached the end, see, like this. Now you're going to turn, don't chain, and you're going to slip stitch in each of the double crochets, and then single crochet in the top of each post. So, you're going to skip this first one, and you're going to single crochet in this stitch, it's the top of a post, slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch. Pretty easy. Alrighty. Here's that. Okay, now you chain 1. You single crochet down the side here. Don't turn. And just do a single crochet evenly spaced along the edge. Alrighty, when you get to here, you're going to single crochet 3, in that little starter chain there, and then single crochet back up the other side. Alrighty, you're going to slip stitch into your first stitch. Chain 1, fasten off, tighten it up, and there you go, you got one shell done. That was easy. Now, repeat it. Do it again. Make a second one. And then I will see you back here to make the tongue and join them. Alrighty, time to make the tongue. So you're going to need your scrap of red yarn, contrasting color, whatever you're going to use. Leave a tail to a slip knot. And then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to slip stitch in the second chain from your hook. I do it in the back bar. And then do a slip stitch in each of the other bars. There we go. So now just chain 1 and pull it through. There you go. That was easy. There's your tongue. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. So now you're going to need your tongue, your 2 shells. I made another one. Ta-da. Some 10mm eyes. These are optional, but he does look a lot better with them. And a yarn needle. Or several if you are apt to lose them. Haha. Anyways, first step, you're going to take one of your shell halves. And you're going to sew Mr. Tongue right about there. I'm going to use the longer end. Too much yarn there. I always overestimate how much I need for the tongue. It's really only like a foot. You only need like a foot of yarn. Maybe a little more. Okay. Now my favorite way to do this, just go under one or two of the loops, pull it tight, and remove any other yarns. Pull it tight, then go under a few more towards the middle and go through the middle of it. And then do the other side. A few of the loops. Don't go all the way through, you don't want the red yarn to show. And the other side. And there you go. There's his tongue. Blah, blah, blah. Now, you want to tie these ends together. Just an overhand. And then weave in your end. And there we go. There's one. Do our other one. Okay. Now, I'm going to put the shells together like that. There we go. Looking good. And take your longer end. I didn't specify leaving one, but that's just what I do. Leave one end longer. Put it in my yarn needle. And then watch. So this is the corner, and then this is the other corner. You see how it's rounder here? It's easier to see through the video even. That's cool. So now you're going to go through that first one. And then back right next to where that yarn comes out. See? So now you'll just go through each of these single crochet and out to the next one and just whip stitch these things together. I will speed that up too because it's a bit of a long process. Okay, now that I've reached the end, we're gonna squish him around a little bit. Here's his tongue. Alrighty. Now tie these ends together. Right. Turn them inside out. And then weave in the ends. You'll want to do it along here. Just like that. Back and forth, back and forth. And then, now that you're far enough away from the tie, you can go just through a couple of the loops from here. And then there. That should keep it nice and secure. And now this other one. Looks like a chicken. That's pretty funny. Or a basket. Anyways, just do the same for the other one. I want to do it on the other side to make it easier. Alright. There we go. Alrighty, turn them right side out. Right back, blah. I can't talk. Alrighty. There you go. There's Sylvester. And then just put his eyes there. And there. And stick your shanks on. Hold them in nice and tight. Now, if you're making this for a younger kid, like 3 and under, I recommend you do not use the safety eyes. I would not give him eyes in that case. He's pretty funny without them, but isn't that so cute? Blah. Blah. Okay. Well, now you've made your own Sylvester the Oyster. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.